My name is Biljana Spirovsky, and I'm an oncology pharmacist at Humber River Regional Hospital in Toronto. And our panel for today's presentation also includes Tom McFarlane from Waterloo Wellington Regional Cancer Program and Karen Levac from London Regional Cancer Center. On behalf of the panelists, I would like to welcome you to the webinar on tackling non-adherence in breast cancer patients. Compliance has always been on the radar for pharmacists in other therapeutic areas and certainly for our drugstore colleagues, but it is increasingly coming to the forefront of our interest in oncology with this shift from traditional IV chemotherapy to targeted agents, many of which are oral and including hormonal therapy. So to help raise the awareness of this issue in our specialty so that we can better manage oncology patients, a group of us pharmacists across the country has contributed to develop this program specific to breast cancer patients receiving hormonal agents, as the bulk of research comes from this group actually, and this program has been supported by unrestricted educational grant from AstraZeneca. So to help set the stage, we have sent some pre-webinar questions, and I will go through the results of our survey. So to help set the stage for tackling the issue of adherence, I will go through the results of our poll with the pre-webinar survey. And those questions that we asked have been taken directly out of the program. So the answers will show to us at the end if and how big of a gap exists between our perception and the true facts about non-adherence. So our first question was, what do you think is the compliance rate to oral medications in general? And this is not including just oncology medications. And as we can see, most of the people, respondents said that they think it's around 50%. So half of our patients are compliant and half are not. And we'll see whether that holds on through research. The next question was, cancer patients are more compliant than patients with less serious conditions. Is it true or false? And then, as we can see, most people thought that it is true. And again, we will see all these answers at the end of the presentation. What percentage of your breast cancer patients on adjuvant hormonal this is just changing on us. What percentage of your breast cancer patients on adjuvant hormonal treatment adhere to their meds? And most of the people in the survey thought that about 70% of patients on adjuvant treatment with hormonals are compliant. And the rest said 60 or 80. And the next question was, research shows that adherence is linked to survival. Is it true or false? And we all seem to think that it's true, and absolutely we all understand what research tells us in this area. And the last one was about our patients' understanding. So this is a great introduction to our cases that will be presented. Does cancer patients' understanding of their disease and then the side effect management increase their adherence? And most people thought that it increases it very much, and that's actually very true. So this is just to give you a flair of what we were going to cover in the next half hour or so. And with that, I will pass it on to Tom, who will take us through the slides.